Hi gorgeous people, so this is the second of my recipes for sprouted black rice salad. So what you need to prepare is one carrot, one cucumber, one celery and one small bell pepper, and then a big bunch of coriander, and I'm having 1 teaspoon of minced garlic and 1 teaspoon of freshly grated curcuma, turmeric, and then we going to prepare the dressing in here. So we need 2 tablespoons of ume vinegar and 2 tablespoons of lime olive oil. And then we are going to add the garlic and the turmeric. And we need about 1 teaspoon of Celtic or sea salt. So put this all in here, give it a little stir. And then you just put your carrot and cucumber, everything is finely diced, in here. This is 1 cup of sprouted black rice. Let's see how we get this out here. It was ready yesterday. It's almost exploding. It's so nicely sprouted, it looks amazing. So my friend is coming today. She's Japanese and she moved to Germany, and this is going to be very interesting because her boys are going to speak German and my boys, which are actually German, going to speak Japanese, and this is going to be very exciting. And I prepared a big bunch of coriander, so theoretically you could just stop here, but everybody loves blueberries, and since it is blueberry time, blueberry season, I decided I'm going to add some fresh blueberries. Okay, this one looks so gorgeous. Could be actually probably another extra cup of blueberries, but we leave it for now here. So once that is nice blend in the evening, I'm going to add a 2nd cup just to make it look more pretty. Okay, have a beautiful day. Try out this recipe, let me know what you think, and I see you soon again. Bye.